Hello everyone, welcome to Cubard Pharmacy Study Circle channel. Today I will discuss about most important MCQs in human anatomy and physiology and upcoming RRB pharmacist examination. It's a very helpful in your MCQs. So keep watching in this session. So today let's start the MCQs. The first question: the meninges of the central nervous system lie in the order inside out. So option A, duromater and arachnoids, matter pi matter, and option B, pi matter, duromater, arachnoids matter. Option C, arachnoids matter, duromater, pi matter, and option D, all of the above. So the correct option is option A. A is the correct answer. Okay, so basically brain is a spinal cord and are completely surrounded and by three layers. How many layers? Three layers. And tissue, the meninges laying between the skull and the brain, between the vertebral foramen in spinal cord. So there are duromater and arachnoids matter and pi matter. So the correct answer is option A. Question number 2. CSF is secreted into each ventricle of the brain by option A, vertebral foramen, option B, arachnoid villi, option C, coronary plexus, option D, ependymal cells. The correct option is coronary plexus. So CSF it's mainly of cerebral spinal fluid. Okay, cerebral spinal fluid. Okay, so secreted into each ventricle of the brain by coronary plexus. The correct option is C. Question number 3. Brain consists of about of the body weight. Option A, 1 by 50th, option B, 1 by 60th, option C, 1 by 4th, option D, uncreatine. The correct option is 1 by 5th. 1 by 5th is the correct answer. Okay, so basically brain as you can simply 1 by 5th, 1 by 5th or 1 by 15th. Okay, 1 by 15th our body. Okay, so body weight and the within the cranial cavity. So the correct option is option A, 1 by 15th. Question number 4. Corpus callosum is a name given by option A, the largest part of the brain occupies an anterior middle cranial osseous. Option B, the longitudinal cerebral fissures. Option C, mass of white matter. Option D, mass of gray matter. The correct option is mass of white matter. So the correct option is C. Question number 5. Grays are connected to each other by option A, association tracts, option B, basal ganglia, option C, commissural tracts, option D, projection tracts. The correct option is association tracts. So the simply association tracts it connects different parts of cerebral hemisphere so that to extend from the one gears to another. So the correct option is A. Question number 6. In the premier motor area of the cerebrum of the body is represented. Option A, upside down. Option B, horizontal. Option C, upright. Option D, vertical. The correct option is upside down. Upside and down. Okay. So the correct option is upside and down. Question number 7. Muscle movements needed for a speech is controlled by. Option A, thalamus. Option B, the somatosensory. Option C, Broca's area. Option D, all of the above. The correct option is Broca's area. So this is situated in frontal lobe. Frontal lobe. Okay. Frontal lobe just above lateral sulcus and controls the muscles movements needed for speech. Okay, the correct option is Broca's area. Question number 8. Functions of reticular formation is. Option A, collections of neurons, the core brain stem surrounded by neural pathways that conduct ascending and descending nerve and impulse between brain and spinal cord. Option B, constitutes really sensory nerves passing from the spinal cord and cerebrum. Option C, sensor receptors in the skin send information about touch, pain and temperature and input from their special senses organs. Option D, it coordinates activities associated with the maintenance of the posture, balance and the equilibrium. So the correct option is option A is the correct answer. So the functions of reticular formation, it is a main functioning in collections of neurons in the core brain stem surrounded by the neural pathways and that conducting ascending and descending nerve. So impulse between brain and spinal cord. Okay, the correct option is A. A is the correct answer. Okay. Question number 9. Which of the following is true about worms? It is the option A. It is the elongated, almost cylindrical part which is suspended in the vertebral canal surrounded by the meninges of the CSF. And option B, it is situated in front of the cerebellum below the separates two hemispheres from cerebellum. Option C, a narrow median strip called veramis separated to the hemispheres of cerebellum. And option D, all of the above. So the correct option is a narrow median strip called veramis separates two hemispheres of the cerebellum. Question number 10. Which of the following is untrue about spinal cord? Option A, it is a continuous above with media obligate and extends from the upper border of the atlas to the lower border in the first lumbar vertebrae. Option B, approx 45 centimeters long adult males and about thick knees of the little finger. Option C, it is an elongated, almost cylindrical part of the central nervous system which is suspended in the vertebral canal surrounded by the meninges of CSF. Option D, the pineal gland and optic chiasm are situated in diencephalon. The correct option is the option D is the correct answer. The pineal gland, optic chiasm are situated in diencephalon. Next question. Proprioceptors are option A sensor receptors in the skin called cutaneous receptors. Option B sensor receptors are specialized nerve endings in this structure. And option C both A and B. Option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A is the correct answer. Sensor receptors in the skin called as cutaneous receptors in proprioceptors. Okay, so the option is A. Question number 12. Papillary light reflex is a type of option A automatic reflex, option B stretch reflex, option C spinal reflex, option D both A and B. The correct option is automatic reflex. Question number 13. Passage of electrolytes and non-lipid soluble substance through the plasma membrane is a function. Option A phospholipids, option B non-lipid soluble substances, option C proteins that extend all the way through the membrane, option D lipid cholesterol. The correct option is C proteins that extend all of the way through the membrane. Question number 14. Steroid hormones are synthesized in which part of the cell? Option A mitochondria, option B ribosomes, option C smooth endoreticulum, option D nucleus. The correct option is option C smooth endoreticulum. Question number 15. Which part of the cytoskeleton is responsible for shape of the cell and pyramid contraction? Option A microfilaments, option B microtubules, option C centrosomes, option D cell extension. The correct option is microfilaments. Question number 16. Flagella is what type of a cytoskeleton? Option A microfilaments, option B microtubules, option C centrosomes, option D cell extension. The correct option is cell extension. Option D is the correct. Question number 17. Chromosomes replicate forming the two identical copies of DNA during what stage of cell division? Option A second gap phase, option B prophase, option C anaphase, option D synthesis of DNA in S phase. The correct option is synthesis of DNA S phase. Question number 18. What is the order of the mitosis phases? Option A prophase and anaphase and metaphase and telophase. Option B prophase and anaphase and telophase. Option C prophase and anaphase and telophase. And option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A is the correct answer. So mitosis order is the prophase and anaphase, metaphase and telophase. So the correct answer is option A. Question number 19. Gases use what type of mechanism of transport? Option A passive, option B diffusion, option C facilitated, option D both and AB. So the correct answer is diffusion. So what is the meaning of diffusion? So the simply high concentration to low concentration. High concentration to low concentration is the diffusion. It is a chemical substances. Okay, so low concentration occurs mainly in gases and liquids and solutions. So gases use what type of mechanism of transport? Diffusion. So the correct option is a diffusion. Okay. Question number 20. Keratinized epithelium is a part of option A simple epithelial, option B stratified, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. So the correct answer is stratified. Stratified is the correct option. Okay, and please like, share, subscribe in YouTube channel. Thank you so much.